Hello everyone. The chapter Federalism has around 15 pages, and here are the most important question and answers from the chapter. Altogether there are 13 questions, means 13 topics. The first topic is define federalism, and second one is differentiate between unitary and federal form of government. Third topic is explain the key features of federalism. And the fourth topic is a statement the exact balance of power between central and state government varies from federation to federation. In simple terms, the question can be differentiate between coming together and holding together federation. The next topic is what makes India a federal country. The question can be asked separately, जिसमें आपको लिस्ट सिस्टम मेंशन करना है, and you have to also mention other features like how unequal powers are there of Indian states. Special powers are given to some of the Indian states. Then how the union territories were created, that you have to also mention. Parliamentary form of government and the role of Indian judiciary. So all this makes India a federal country. Now the next topic is how is federalism practiced. Then you have to write about creation of linguistic states, language policy of India. Then you have to mention that what steps are being taken to promote Hindi, which is spoken by more than 40% of people. Then the third topic will be center state relations, in which you have to mention center state relations before 1990 and center state relations after 1990. Some of the statements which are given in your book also are given in question form in this topic. The last topic is decentralization. So the question can be what is decentralization and why there is a need of decentralization. In it, you have to write what are the drawbacks in the system of local self-government before 1992 and what changes were brought in local self-government after 1992. Then the question can be regarding the composition of Panchayati Raj system, where you have to mention about all the 3 tiers of local self-government. The next question can be regarding local self-government is the largest experiment in democracy. So explain the statement. So that also can be a question. Then the last topic will be we are still a long way from realizing the idea of self government. एक क्वेश्चन आपकी बॉक्स में दिया हुआ है एक्सपेरिमेंट इन ब्राज़ील, दैट also you complete. These are the most important 13 topics from the chapter which will help you in learning your MCQs also.